Welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at man-in-the-middle-6. So I went ahead and got these two different articles opened up. Alright, but first thing, no matter what we have to do, is we have to actually install a certificate. So let's go ahead and do a certificate first. I was really hoping that was going to work. Works on a laptop, not really too good on desktop computer, huh? Alright, so let's go ahead and first install a certificate here. So we can go up to Manage, Add Roles and Features, Next, Next, Next. Doing great so far. Active Directory Certificate Services. Now if you really want to get a lot of training on Active Directory, the ENDP, the Network Defense Professional cert, that one has a lot of stuff on Active Directory. As you see, I'm just clicking Next throughout this whole thing. Next, restart the destination server if required, yes, and then install. If you don't click on that after it's done installing, it's going to tell you to go ahead and restart anyways. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Hey, was that a good enough glass of wine? Yeah, that's the rest of it. I didn't know whether I throw that away or put it in the recycling bin though.
It's recycling because it's glass bottle.
Oh, okay. Well, over here it's weird.
It is, but it's still glass. You just gotta rinse it out.
I rinsed it out because it's like, oh, it's a glass bottle, but then there's, you know, a drawing on it, so no, it's not recycling anymore over here. Alright, let's go ahead and close that out now. We should actually have to restart it. I don't know why. Oh, here we go. So configure Active Directory Certificate Services. Go ahead and click on that. Credentials, yep, next. Certificate Authority, that's what we are. And then, like I said, if you want to get a lot of training on this, do a Network Defense Professional. I'm not going to go into what Certificate Authority is, a root cert, a freaking standalone versus enterprise, root versus subordinate. Go to Sec Plus. There you go. If you really want to get a lot of it, go to Sec Plus. Alright, see, I'm just clicking next. When we get to the years, go ahead and make that like 99 or like 2,000 years or something like that. Alright. I mean, I'm 36, but hey, technology nowadays, you never know how long this server 2019 is going to stay up for, right? So, okay, that's been configured successfully. We'll go ahead and close that out. And what we should have to do is we should have to restart it. I'm going to go ahead and restart it anyways. So we're just going to do a quick restart. Continue. And while that's restarting, we're going to come over to my Kali Linux machine, and we are going to install man-in-the-middle-6. Okay. Very first thing we have to do, let's go ahead and exit out here. Let's see back into here, clear that out, and now I'm going to do a go on GitHub, I believe it is. Let's try on GitHub here. Can I even get on GitHub actually? Can I think about it? Yeah, I can. Okay. So let's go to man-in-the-middle-6 GitHub. And we'll go ahead and change that to English. And I guess we're just going to use the first one. Man-in-the-middle-6. I believe it's a pip install man-in-the-middle-6. Yes. This does not come with the newest instance that I know of with the newest instance of Kali Linux. Oh, man-in-the-middle-6 cat. Nope. So it does not. Okay. So let's go ahead and grab this code, copy, put it wherever you usually put your download files. I usually just put them right in root, git clone. There we go. And then we'll CD into man-in-the-middle-6. LSTAC LA. Let's go ahead and actually CD back and actually do a pip install man-in-the-middle-6, I believe it said, right? MITM6. Yep, pip install MITM6. Pip install MITM6. Let's try that. It doesn't tell me to CD into anything. Downloading. Copy, downloading. Okay, it looks like it's installing it. Probably should have sudo in front of it, but that's okay. I should have ran as root, but it doesn't look like I needed to actually. So let's go ahead and do a Python file. Do I go into it again? Is it like man-in-the-middle-6, man-in-the-middle-6? Python 3 man-in-the-middle-6.py. That's doing something. I'm gonna go with that was it. Tac help. Okay. What about just Python man-in-the-middle.py? Okay, so we got somewhere else on that one. So let's do sudo Python man-in-the-middle.py tac help. And okay. Guess there's no tac help. That's okay. Python 3. Python man-in-the-middle.py, at least give us something that said note that. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, alright, we got it. We did it. Just took a second to start up. Okay, so let's go ahead and shut that down like real quick because I think there's other stuff we have to put in with it. And we're also going to need, so I just installed that, right? I'm just going to go ahead and copy that, follow, and then just type in pip install MITM6. You are good. Okay, so there we go with that, right? And then from here, we have to just go ahead and get back into this guy real quick, just to make sure everything's working in here. Make sure that he's up and running. This is my server, right? And we will get into the next part of this, right, which is NTLM relay, and we're going to have to do that. Okay, so for the NTLM relay this time, we're not going to do it off of a file, right? We're going to do it off of an actual target. The target is going to be the domain controller. Okay, so we need to know the domain controller in this instance, right? I believe actually when I very first started it up, that guy may have actually told me the domain controller was. So that might have been a way to figure it out. We go ahead and get into Kali here. Boom, boom. Python man-in-the-middle 6.py. Sudo Python 3 man-in-the-middle 6.py. That's my IPv6 address, unless you want to specify at least one domain with TACD. Okay, so I do need to know, or figure out, or something, the domain controller, because we already have to look at that, right? So what I want to pretty much do, it looks like, is I want to do an NTLM relay. All right, the target's going to be domain controller with LDAPs in front of it, and then we're going to do attack attacker WPAD. Okay, now if we come down, where's it at? It actually says why we're actually using that WH like right there. Man-in-the-middle 6, boom, boom. Okay, now it might take a while before the host request, okay, or starts requesting WPAD configuration. Your best chances are when victim reboots or replugs their network cable. Okay, so might have to just reboot a machine. So if you're on long-term assignment, early mornings are probably the best time to perform this attack. In either case, you'll have to be patient or just attack more hosts, but that's also less quiet. In the meantime, we also start an NTLM relay X using delegate access argument to enable delegation attack, and with the WH attacker WPAD argument to enable WPAD spoofing authentication requests. We are going to do that WH attacker WPAD. I think we're going to do that delegate access. Let's go ahead and hop back over into this guy, and we will do a, I think I just need him just up and running, right? Just sudo man-in-the-middle 6, just have him just up and running, is that correct? Really, everything goes along with NTLM relay, I believe, and then he's got the LDAP, sudo man-in-the-middle 6, okay, so we are going to do HW attack D, which is going to be the domain, and then we are not going to do that. After a while, I'm going to man-in-the-middle 6 show the victim. Okay, so attack HW. I don't think that matters either. Attack HW, I think I can put whatever I want in there. Let's go ahead and look at this one like right here, see what he says. So he's got sudo man-in-the-middle 6, then he's just saying this is the domain. Just straight up, hey, this is the domain of it. And whenever I very first ran it, it said, hey, you don't need to specify the domain, you just go run on everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a start with Python 3, attack D, the domain, and that was wonderland.local, right, is my domain? Is that correct? I believe that's correct. What was my domain name? I don't remember. I guess we'll figure it out here in a second. Okay. Oh, we're sending off for new replies, so hopefully that's it. But I actually don't remember what the heck my domain name is. Let's go ahead and log into this guy. If you haven't watched the other two videos, go ahead and get those to watch. It'll clear up a lot of the stuff that we're doing like right now. So I believe it's going to be wonderland.local. It might be an IP address, or it might just be, hey, just man-in-the-middle 6. We'll go ahead and start it off with this guy first, wonderland.local. Let's go ahead and hop back into that. Yep, over here. So from here, we are going to then do our NTLM relay. Right, so let me go ahead and put these guys like this. There you go. So we're going to do an NTLM relay x.py, right? First thing we need to do is locate it. Yep. So let's go ahead and cd into /home Kali and packet build scripts and do a Python NTLM relay x.py. Do I need that Python 3? Okay, Python, bam. Okay, tag WH. I just need some crap there, right? So attacker.wonderland.local. Okay. Attack T, the target, which is actually going to be LDAP, right? Because he had SMB up here, but I believe ours is going to be LDAPs. Yeah. Ours is going to be LDAPs. Okay. LDAPs, and then we're going to do the IP address for the domain controller, which obviously if we got to this point, we know the IP address for that. So let's go ahead and do I wonder if we can actually just do it for wonderland.local. I wonder if I can just do that. Actually, I'm gonna try it like that. I don't think I need that WH. I thought. Let's do that, like right there, and see what happens. And then if we were to reset a connection, so if we were to restart computer, does anything actually happen? Let's try to restart something real quick. Restart. Restart anyways. Let's see what happens over here. Whenever it comes online, we'll be able to tell real quick or not if this is going to work. And if not, we'll try some different things. I think I need that TAC L. That's what I think I need. Because TAC L is going to give me loot. We can say loot, or actually we can say TAC L. We're going to go there, there, desktop, desktop trading boxes, as in there, right? AD Home Lab. Yeah, let's put it like that. Okay. That's not really what I want. I didn't really. Yeah, that's okay. Loop. That's what we'll do. Okay. We'll throw in the loop. So it looks like it's getting IPv6 addresses here. It looks like it. It looks like it's doing something right. Go ahead and sign in this guy, I guess. What the heck you are doing? We're doing, Jay, right now we're doing man-in-the-middle-6. Trying to retrieve information through IPv6. That's what we're trying to do at least. Okay, so it looks like we're getting information. It looks like, because yeah, that's a machine on our network right there. So we got information. Nothing's coming through down here though. Not local. The server has been started. So we're not getting anything down here yet. I feel like we should be getting something down there. I feel like we should be getting actually a lot more information coming through this thing. Let's go ahead and exit off here. Or actually, let's just go ahead and restart this guy now. Can we restart him? Restart. Restart anyways. This guy started down here. We have the man-in-the-middle-6, and then the NTLM relay, right? I should be getting information on both these guys. So you should be able to get that LDAPs, which we're using up here, LDAPs for wonderland.local. Maybe I should have done an IP address. I don't know. I don't know yet. Let's try to. Do I have a loot right there that yet? What is that 10.0.19 SAM? What is this? Did I already have this before? How old is that? Yeah, I had to have. Okay, I had to have already had that. Okay. Alright. I'm going to hop back over in here. He's grabbing people's stuff. So I'm not really understanding like right now. Let's go ahead and try it with the IP address of the domain, right? Let's go ahead and grab that domain's IP address. Let's try it like that. Wonderland.local is not. It's OGC, isn't it? .local. I believe it's OGC. It's not Wonderland. I don't remember what my domain name is. But it should, I mean, I should be seeing kind of a crazy amount of stuff coming through, and I'm not. That's just kind of scaring me, like right there. Let's go ahead and do ipconfig 10.0.0.16. Okay. Stop doing stuff. And what are you actually connected to? Is it 10.0.0.16 that you're actually connected to also? I don't like this new Windows like connection crap down here. It's one of the things I don't like about Windows 11 is being able to connect, like the network tab down here. It sucks. The network tab down there. It's pretty annoying. OGC.local is the domain that we do have. Okay. And DNS server is 10.0.0.16. Okay. So it is OGC.local. Okay. So we'll go ahead and do that again. OGC.local. I don't know if it actually needs to be in caps like it showed. So we'll try that. So we'll do OGC.local. LDAP is going to be for OGC.local. Alright. Now let's go ahead and try to restart a computer and see if we get anything back. If we don't, then we'll start trying to use IP addresses or something like that and see what is the best way to actually try to accomplish this, like right here. But he doesn't really seem to be getting much. Am I also? I'm on the correct network stuff too, right? Okay. Hey, you never know, right? Okay, cool. I do have an IP address and everything like that. Ooh, now we're getting, there we go. Now we're getting stuff. Okay, cool. What we got here? So it stems from spoof replies. Okay, we got received, but there are no more targets left. Attacking LDAPs. Okay, let's keep going with that, huh? Let's start getting some people on this network here, huh? Let's log you in. Let's go ahead and log you in, and we will. I guess shut down the other guy. Let's go ahead and restart him, huh? So I just kind of want to, I guess we're going to have to update it. Oh, I did say restart without updating, damn it. Maybe we'll restart him again. Oh, we're getting somewhere again, okay. He's trying his best. Send spoof reply. Invalid server address. So he's trying to do it. We're trying to get information like right now. Don't think there's anything in that loop file yet. Yeah, I don't have a loop file over here yet, so we haven't done anything like that yet. Let's go ahead and I guess reset him again. Maybe reset that domain controller. Let's try to reset the domain controller, huh? I mean, we're still going though. We are definitely still going over here. So we're getting a lot of stuff over here. So hopefully we can get somewhere on there, huh? To make controller, that usually when it's shut off, so I don't really want to reset him because that would be kind of a little bit unrealistic. I'm going to restart this guy, kind of like everyone's getting on in the morning. Everyone's turning their computer on for the day or whatever else. Let's do something like this, see what we got here. We should be seeing something in our loop. So attack L, should be seeing something there. And it looks like, I mean, he's trying, it looks like, but he's not writing anything to that loop file. What the hell are those? Are these the users that it's made? Did it make users? Dallas server. So we can see a lot of stuff's happening here right now, right? Make sure there's not loot in here for some odd reason. No, okay. Still no loot in there. I feel like this should happen pretty instantly. And I feel like we're just not, like something's not right on our end here. I feel like that's correct. Let's see here. Let's keep researching this like a little bit. So we got airmon-ng, yep, okay. NTLM. Oh my goodness. NTLM, we need a TAC6 to tell it, hey, you have to use IPv6. That's one of our problems, like right there. We 100% need that TAC6, like right there. Okay, still nothing in here. Okay. TAC6, yep. Alright. And that should really be about it. That was really the only thing I think I was missing, like right there. Maybe try to reset the computer again. We try something like that. I just saw some more stuff roll through as soon as I said that. Yeah, let's go ahead and try to reset this computer again. We do need that TAC6 in there. Just let it know that's going to be doing IPv6. Let's go ahead and make sure I'm not, see what else I'm missing here. Sudo man in the middle, TAC D, okay. I feel like we need something else in there. I feel like we need more information in it. Man, this thing's kind of killing me, you know. It is kind of killing me. So I feel like we definitely need some more information inside that thing. Though, I don't know what other information we could possibly need. I don't really have anything else in here that I could possibly do, I don't think. We did our target, right? Our target is our domain controller. Let's just do our IP address as the target. Let's do that. Let's do our IP address as the target. So instead of ogc.local, let's go ahead and change that over to the IP address, which was what, 10.0.0. I don't even remember what it was. 10.0.0.16. Was he getting a lot of stuff? Yes, he was. Was it working the way I really wanted to? Not really. So let's go ahead and restart that machine. Let's go ahead and restart this machine, like right here. And we'll see if we get anything over here. Alright, we did change that to 10.0.0.16 now. Okay, authenticating. Enumerating related users prisons may take a while in large domains. Don't be domain for the first time. And there's our loot. Okay, so yeah, when we put in that IP address, we immediately got it. I don't know if you guys saw that up there, but we should have also made a user on here, which I do have an idea on how to find it, because I know I would get lost in this thing like crazy. So what we can do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to let it do its thing for like a second, a few minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and CD in a loop, and let's go ahead and see what information do we possibly find in here, right? So we got all this information now. Okay, so let's go ahead and do, you can do cat domain users, okay, that's a lot of crap in there, right? You're not going to be able to read that, not too easy. Let's go ahead and cat domain users.html, or not cat, but Firefox domain users.html. Let's see what we got there. And look at that, huh? look at that. We have who the domain admins are, enterprise admins, remote desktop users, and we have all of our little domain guys here. We also have the description here. So if we were to put the description in there, right, as we saw before with, I think it was Windows Privesk or something like that, we could put the description in there, and then we would see that on there. So if we had like their password as the description, we would then see that on there, just so you guys know. And I want to try something real quick. We're going to try nano info.txt. We'll call it that. We're just going to throw that in there. Let's go ahead and cat info.txt. And we're going to grep for user or password. Okay. So it did not. This thing will also make you a username, but it doesn't look like ours did this time. But it can make you a username and also a password, and it'll put it in here what it is. So usually you just kind of grep for it. You'll grep for that username. Alright, and it's going to be something crazy to the username. Username password could be something crazy also. But we were able to enumerate the information out there. So we ls-tech-la. Over here, ls-tech-la. We have all this info in here now, right? We're going to use rf info.txt. So let me go ahead and take my notes here, right? So let me go ahead and scroll up to right here. So first thing we want to do is start up man-in-the-middle-6. So we're going to say, right here, start man-in-the-middle-6, start NTLM relay, wait for things to start coming through and see if a root directory is made. There we go, right? So we got that root directory in there, and then we can start to look at stuff within that root directory. CD in the root, ls-tech-la. I'm just going to do a quick print screen of this guy right here just so I can see that, yep, I can see a bunch of stuff in here, and it all corresponds to this domain controller. So that is man-in-the-middle 6. It took us a minute to set up, took us a minute to actually get running and everything like that. Forgot the tax 6 and things like that. But I feel like we did it. We got in there, we set up LDAPs, and we were able to drop stuff. So let's go ahead and do a, I don't know, Firefox domain policy .html, right? Here's the domain policies, right? Lockout time window 30 minutes, minimal password age is 1 day, minimal password length 7. Okay, so a lot of the users' passwords would probably be around 7, right? Things like that. Okay, so that's what we're gonna be looking for in there. And yeah, I mean, we just got a lot of stuff. So I think that next week, or the next one, not next week, but the next one is going to be more on Power View. Okay, let me go ahead and locate Power View, see if I have it in here. I believe I do. Yes, I do. I most likely do. Let's actually do a Power View like that. .ps1. I probably have it. Yep, there it is, guys. So we're going to be looking at more Power View and utilizing Power View to do different things with it and see what we can actually how to enumerate boxes with Power View. All right. So I hope you guys like this one. Hope you guys felt like you learned something. I feel like I learned a lot with it. So hopefully you guys do too. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Have a good one.